First of all, Queensland, again, more legislation. We're introducing a seller's disclosure law coming in 2025. What will be the obligations for people with renovations when they come to sell? What do they have to disclose? Are there any obligations to do so?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's already a really important statutory obligation that relates to renovations, and that's where you are an owner builder. So it's a specific type of permit you need to get to be allowed to undertake owner builder work. And so you get given a permit to do that work where it's over, I think, $11,000. And so that allows you to do a range of renovations. But then when it comes time to sell, if you sell within a 6-year period, you need to disclose the fact that you've undertaken owner builder work. What's important to understand is that that type of work doesn't then get the benefit of the home warranty insurance scheme. So that's important to understand. And the other thing that is worth mentioning here, Dean, is that often buyers are under the impression that a seller has an obligation to disclose any kind of renovation or building work that's been undertaken and whether it's been properly certified and approved, and that's not the case. So certainly as a buyer, you can ask for that information, or you might even make the contract subject to a special condition that allows you to confirm that all of the work's been properly approved and certified.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Antonia Mercorella, CEO of the Real Estate Institute of Queensland. Thanks so much for watching this video, which is a segment from Prop IQ, a show produced by the REIQ to help provide insights into real estate for both people in the industry and consumers. I'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Speaking of new videos, you might want to check out this one next.